we do develop websites from scratch, but a lot of times we redevelop websites. Like for example, the client had the old instance, and everything they wanted to change required a code change, or everything for example, they wanted to change the title, and then if they add the title, the whole other thing will break. Or if they had 4 boxes and they want to add the 5th box, it would never work out. It would break on mobile, it would break on bigger screens or whatnot. Again, I'm looking at other the older versions of client websites, and there are things like the interface is not straightforward. You always need to think, wait, so where do I change the link to? How do I populate the image to here? And it's always some random place where no one can find, only the guy who developed it a few years ago. So it's very hard. And at Airfleet platform, even when we hand over the project to the client's team to manage it later on, to create some marketing materials and stuff, everything is very natural. And I hardly ever get questions about how do I edit, how do I change the image here, or how do I change the text here, because everything is so straightforward. I'm so hyped right now talking about the platform because I'm looking at it all the time, and I know that I would love as a marketer to have my website be built on the Airfleet platform. When we show them the beauty of the Airfleet platform, they're very surprised, because they were I didn't know I can just build a landing page as easy as copy paste and move things around, because previously they would need a dev, they would need a content manager to do these things, and now if you need urgently a landing page upon the go live, you can just create it from the blocks. And they're like, what do you mean? I can even change the text, I can change the CTA, I can change the color of the CTA and the styling of the CTA. So usually this is what surprises clients, because really the platform that we have is also it caters for all these needs, and also it allows the client and the client team to easily manage content moving forward. So the website becomes a living organism rather than something that's set in stone.